What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. To be quite honest, I just don't have much to vlog about today. Although the good news is, the taillight sequencers from a couple videos ago that didn't work, the second set I ordered arrived today. So keep on the lookout. That's going to be the next video. It's going to be me actually installing them. It's actually what I'm going to do probably as soon as I get done with what I'm about to go do. Decided, you know what, I got nothing else to do. I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get coffee. Because why not? That's what you do when you're basic like me, is you go get coffee all the time. That, and I'm trying to prove a point with this car. This car, if you can afford the gas and the insurance for it, this car is the ultimate daily driver. So you can get gas, I'm already at half a tank. Wow. I don't even know where it went in this car. Haven't even driven it that much this week. Yeah, I'm gonna make this light here. Some downshift action here. Just gotta get to Starbucks pretty quickly, you know. Yeah. And I got a broken down vehicle up here. This is the second time in 24 hours there's just been a vehicle broken down right in the middle of the road. Worst part about it is it would be a Ford. But can't let that deter me, right? But yes, on the way to Starbucks. That's why I go to, there's one specific Starbucks I like to go to, because it's, you kind of have to take a back road to get there. It's not really a true back road, but it's curvy. There's less traffic and it's curvy, and therefore to me that qualifies as a back road. Now it looks like it's about to rain today, so hopefully it doesn't start raining, because I do have plans to put that part on the car. If not, that's gonna be done tomorrow. Whichever way you look at it, that's gonna be the next video you all see. Of course, I got day weekend coming up anyway, so it's not like I don't have time to put it in this weekend. You all will probably be seeing this on Memorial Day, or at least that's when I'll be posting it. We all have a happy Memorial Day anyway. Happy, safe Memorial Day. I just love this. I say I got plans to put something on my car today, and sure enough, it would start raining. Welcome to Florida in the summertime, where we don't get sunny weather. That's why people don't spend summers in Florida. That's why you spend a winter in Florida. Just gotta love driving this car, though. Of course, the summer, we get the roads to ourselves, so all the snowbirds go home. Yeah, I know people like to argue about this car, and they try to tell me, oh, it's just a Mustang. Here's the thing about it. One, it's fun as all hell to drive. You know, just a Mustang regardless. Two, it actually attracts a surprising amount of attention from people. Now, yeah, I'm not going to get people coming up and asking me how much it costs, because people probably already know that. But people do want to come up and ask, and they're like, hey, I used to own a Mustang GT. And third, how many other $40,000 cars can do that? And don't say Camaro, because Camaros just feel so slow. And also don't say Challenger, because that's a boat. Challengers aren't really a car, they're much more of a boat. Actually, Doug DeMuro just did a review on the Mustang recently, talking about the quirks and features, and he mentioned a bunch of them, and I thought, wow, man, that's a quirk and feature that I would have pointed out. The only thing I can say he didn't mention that I wish he had pointed out would have been the weird location of the sunglasses holder. I'm like, Doug, you missed that one, because only the S550 Mustang has it there. Sure no one's coming, and then so much fun though. Like, you just cannot argue with that. So you know what? I'll see you all when I get to Starbucks. Alright, and I'm back. And of course it would start raining here. So, funny story. I go in, they can't figure out how to get the card reader to work. Because basically someone had walked away without actually paying. So they decided, well, it's on us, so I've got this for free. I felt bad, so I'm like, here, I'm going to tip you all $1. So, best deal I've ever gotten on a Starbucks drink. And unlike the last time I got Starbucks, I at least decided I'm going to get the little stopper thing. Because, believe me, this car loves to fling coffee all over the place. Several times already, I have spilled coffee when driving this car. So, I'm gonna go ahead and head on home. Guess there's not really much else to film right now, just because it is starting to rain. Welcome to Florida in the summertime, because we get our wonderful, unfortunate rainy season. So, but anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. We are getting close. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.